Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to give you a quick tour of our room here at the Parkview Inn, which is directly across the street from Disneyland. And when I say directly, I mean it's the closest hotel to the crosswalk on Harbor. The Parkview Inn is located at 1570 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is rated number 16 out of 127 hotels in Anaheim at the time of filming. The Parkview Inn is the closest motel to Disneyland on Harbor. It's only 0.2 of a mile or a 5-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. We booked a 1-queen room with bunk beds for our kids. This room is not the biggest room in the planet, but it is pretty spacious, and so far it's working out really great for us. Here are the 2 bunk beds for the kids. They're actually look like they're a full-size twin. They're very spacious. They seem much bigger than the last room we had with bunk beds. And on this side is a little area that has a microwave, coffee maker, and a fridge. And the cool thing about this mini fridge that I don't think I've ever seen in a hotel in this area is there is a freezer as well as a mini fridge. So that's really nice to have. The Parkview Inn is a motel, so there are cars directly outside of our room, but this room is very nicely updated. They've done a great job in this room. There's no weird smells. The popcorn ceiling has been scraped. There's new furnishings, new flooring. The bathroom's all been redone. So this is a really great hotel room. What's really nice about this room is there are 2 nightstands on each side of the bed, and the light here has a regular outlet on both sides, plus the side with the alarm clock. The alarm clock has 2 USBs and 2 regular outlets as well. They also have this really nice desk area that can double as a dresser. And this lamp here has 1 outlet built into it, as well as this with 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs. So there's plenty of outlets in this room. This bathroom is very nicely updated. It's got the wonderful mirror with the great lighting. There's tons of hooks. The shower is all redone with a towel rack in the shower, which is super convenient. If you have a shirt that's wrinkly and you need to hang it up and get it steamy, get all those wrinkles out, it's perfect for that. The shower head's really high up the wall, so it's not like you're gonna be cowering to shower. All the finishes in here look brand new, and it's pretty spacious. It's more spacious than I thought it was gonna be. They did a great job remodeling here. There is a fan in this bathroom, which is awesome because a lot of times motels don't have that, but it is kind of loud, so that's just something to let you know ahead of time. I do have to say, staying here at the Parkview, it was so nice coming back from the parks and only having to cross the street and get right to our hotel. It was super convenient. The location here cannot be beat. We were super tired from the night before. We only got about 3 hours sleep, so not having to walk a whole extra block was great. We also wanted to say that parking is built into the price of the room here, so it's free, which is almost unheard of in the Anaheim area. So that's a huge plus in our opinion. There's also free Wi-Fi. During normal times when fireworks would be going on, you would also have a wonderful view of the fireworks from here. They normally have a viewing station upstairs. Right now it's currently closed due to COVID, but it is a wonderful spot to check out the fireworks if you didn't want to stay in the parks that night but still wanted to check out the show. We did pay for this room out of our own pocket, and we paid full price for the dates that we were here. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. Thank you so much.